guys, welcome to Revin Auto 717. In this video, I actually show you a new car purchase. Got a 1997 Nissan Maxima for $250. Yes, that is correct, 250 bucks. Has 157,000 miles on it. The previous owner stated that it needed a alternator and battery, and has brand new tires basically on it. Looks pretty nice. Definitely needs cleaned up, but isn't too bad. So I'm actually running home here quick. I need to get a couple tools here, and then I'm going to run up to my grandparents' house and grab the trailer, the car trailer that he has. He actually just got one, so I'm going to get that, and then we will head in through and let's pick this thing up. So then I'm going to take you along with me on the journey, and we are going to go grab this thing and get going. I was driving home in my truck and my check engine light came on, so when I get home I'm gonna have to see what that is. Truck's still running fine. I'm thinking it's probably the same code that it came probably 4 or 5 months ago. It was for lean condition on both bank 1 and bank 2. I think it was PO 171 and PO 174. But I'm going to take it home and I'm going to put it up on my Intune scanner, and I'm going to take you along and do that as well. So I just kind of was driving when I saw it come on, so I'm going to check that and just see what the heck's going on there. But I'm going to put the hitch in my truck and then go and grab the trailer, and we will head in through and get some cash out and pay the lady and try to get the title transferred over. So let's get to it. So got my tuner out. I'm going to hook this thing up, and we're going to see what is actually going on with the truck here. I do have the Diablo Sport in tune. Currently it just has an 87 octane tune in it. So I'm going to hook this thing up, cycle the key to the on position, and then we'll see what codes come up. So I'm going to get on that. Okay, so got this thing powered up on the on position and with the key. I'm going to turn the volume down. So just kind of waiting here. Waiting for it to come on. I'm going to hit yes. And then I'm going to do scan tool. Continue. I'm going to clean it off. I'm sorry. It's really dirty. See if that helps. I'm going to show trouble codes. And yep, still the PO 171 and PO 174 system 2 lean. So I'm going to have to figure out, I'm going to cancel this out, but I'm going to have to figure out exactly what is causing this. Most of the time it is something that is leaking, like a vacuum leak. So I'm going to have to go through the whole system and just check. Maybe one of the connectors came off or is loose. So I'm going to have to redo all that. So I'm going to go mess around with that, and I'll get you up to speed on what I came to the conclusion of what was wrong with it. Hey guys, currently on my way to get the trailer. I'm going to try to get that, and then I'm going to take it back to the house. I'm probably not going to actually get the car till tomorrow. We got some plans coming on later this afternoon. I'm not sure how long it's going to take. So probably just gonna do that, and then I'll just leave the trailer at my house overnight, and then we will figure it out in the morning. So I'm gonna go up there, get the trailer, and bring it back to the house. So you can see, you got the trailer hooked up and back at the house. So I'm just gonna probably go tomorrow and go pick up the car. And trailer my grandpa has, it has a electric winch here. I think it's like a 9,000 pound winch. Has everything else needed to button up the car. I didn't use this to pick up my car because it wasn't inspected at the time, so I just kind of got screwed there. But he has a really nice aluminum trailer. The actual bed tip tilts up in the front. So, but yeah, so I'm gonna go and get ready to go out tonight. I think we're gonna meet some friends, and yeah, so I'll touch base with you tomorrow morning. So finally I'm home with the new car purchase, and you can see in the background I got the 1997 Nissan Maxima, and you wouldn't believe it, for $250. So I'm gonna kind of do like a walk around of the car, and then we'll just kind of jump into it and get you up to speed on what actually happened with the sale. Hey guys, so here is the Maxima. You can see here in the front it does have some scuff marks on it, and there is a couple bubbles of rust in the bottom there. Does need a windshield wiper there. Has some dings. You can see on the hood there's some dings there as well. Tires are really good on it. They have decent tread on them. Front headlights are a little fogged up, not too bad. Is missing the logo there. And yes, it is out of inspection from 3 of 17. So I'm going to keep on walking around. The fuel door looks like it was dinged up pretty good. Somebody went a little sticker happy on the back. They put a couple things on it. May the Force be with you, and then the Sunoco and the AAA. And there's some, looks like there's some scuff marks. It was one of those city cars, so the front and rear bumpers are all scuffed up really good. So, but the antenna for the radio is broken off. So then let's look on the inside. Of course, the doors are locked, and that one is anyways. So here is the interior. It's really dirty. It's kind of, this isn't showing it justice. You can kind of see here how dirty it is. Their previous owner smoked and just kind of let it go wherever. So there's stains in the seat. There's holes in the seat. But then also in the back, I got my 40-inch light bar, 42-inch light bar for the golf cart build. So I need to do a video of that. But you can kind of see it has 157,000 miles on it. And so I saw this ad, this post from a lady on Facebook showing some pictures of this car and saying that it's been sitting for a couple months and she needs it gone or it's going to get towed. So she had it on for $300, and I called her up quick and got some information on it, and I went and met her and talked to her some more, and she was in need of some money, and it hasn't been running for a while. Obviously you can see 3 of 17 is last legal time it was able to run, and I could definitely tell the brake rotors are really rusted. It's hard to see on the back. I'll try to get a light on there and show you, but the rotors are definitely really rusted. I'm gonna have to probably look at that, make sure that they're good. But talked to her some more, and I was kind of going back and forth, and then she's like, if you give me $250 for it, you can have it. So I shook on it and figured for $250 I'll take the chance, and we'll see what we can come up with. So I figured it'd be a cool little video of, yes, you can find really good deals like this out there. So what is wrong with it? That's probably your next question. It needs a battery, and supposedly the alternator is bad. So I'm gonna have to get a battery for it, and then I will replace the alternator. So probably my thought is I'm gonna get a new battery for the Stang, because it's probably not worth buying a brand new battery for the car there. So I'm gonna get a new battery for the Stang. Currently have this one charging up, and then I'm gonna stick it in here and just see if I can get it to start up, and we'll kind of go from there and try to evaluate what is going on with the alternator. So I'm just currently waiting for the battery to charge up. I accidentally left the lights on the Mustang, so the battery is dead. So right now I'm just charging it up. So it's kind of a good time to actually get a new battery for the Mustang. So I might go and get a nice Ultima or whatever battery, a really nice kind. So we'll see. But right now, just wanted to kind of show you this, that yes, you can get a cheap car for under $1,000 and even under $500. So so yeah. So here it is. Here's the inside. Obviously the lights aren't coming on. but you can kind of see it. I apologize for how dark it is, but yeah, so I'm gonna kind of end it here.